Alright, here we are, piggy pennies. 10-cent denomination. We got the train bonus. One at a time here.
Let's go.
Here we go. Yep. Really small ones to start, so we're gonna need a lot of trains. Or a big one here. Oh. Oh. Okay, I guess they're gonna fill it up. Give us that 100,000. Lou. Okay. Yep. Big one. Oh, 30 bucks for the mini. Come on, give us another train. Oh, what was that? Seemed like it really wanted to give it to us. Lynn. Oh. Okay, not bad. Started with 100 bucks, so up to 140.